Have you ever seen a factory where 3,000 robots work together? This is not science fiction. It's not CGI. This is real life happening in Chongqing, southwest China.
What does it look like when people work alongside more than 3,000 robots? In modern smart factories, human-machine interaction is evolving. In some processes, people and machines work separately, like traditional robotic arms used in stamping and welding. In others, they share the same space, such as the AGV vehicles moving materials across the workshop. And in more advanced scenarios, humans and robots work side by side, combining machine precision with human judgment. In many stations across the Ceres super factory, AI systems inspect vehicle in seconds while workers verify the results.
We have our gap and flushness exams AI station there. That four robots will examine all the gap and flushness of these vehicles, the surface, and all the results will be transferred immediately to the pad here. Right now we have more than 50 examination stations here.
After introducing this automated equipment, the precision has improved significantly, reaching 0.1 millimeters. Labor costs have also been reduced. Previously, manual measurement required around 5 workers. Now we only need 2 people to recheck the points identified by the robots. Overall efficiency has improved by nearly 70 to 80%.
Robots alone do not make a smart factory. Data does. At the highest level of collaboration, humans and machines work in integration. AI analyzes information, predicts risks, and supports decisions. At the heart of the factory is the Digital Operations Center, or War Room, where real-time data powers efficiency, quality, and safety.
The data in this factory is much more than a traditional factory. Everything what we can see in this factory, just like the conveyor line, just like our AGV, and also the air conditioning, the lights, all this data can be transferred by our 5G technology to our database within 1 second.
All of that data fits into another key technology, the factory's digital twin.
This is the digital twin system using in a factory. Everything, including data and images, can be transmitted in real time. And if we go to the final assembling line, we can witness the birth of brand new cars one after another.
Efficiency is only part of the story. The factory also places strong emphasis on sustainability, with green solutions such as rooftop solar panels generating renewable electricity. Factories like this are becoming more intelligent, greener, and more integrated, a direction China has highlighted as it builds a modern industrial system for the years ahead.
We will follow the principle that industry sets the questions and technology provides the answers. The new round of initiatives will upgrade key manufacturing supply chains, drive breakthroughs across the entire chain, and speed up their conversion into new quality productive forces.
As these new production models evolve, China is not only exporting products, but also sharing its industrial experience and expanding global cooperation. To better understand the global development of China's new energy vehicle industry, we spoke with Zhang Xuming, Secretary General of the World New Energy Vehicle Development Organization.
China's NEV industry has become globalized to the point where we can co-develop technologies and products with overseas automakers. We hope that in this process, we will not only sell our products overseas, but also bring our technologies to work together, develop jointly, and pursue common development. I prefer to see it as a great balance between globalization and localization.
The steady rhythm of machines tells a bigger story. Across China, manufacturing is entering a new phase. As automation, AI, and green technologies reshape the factory floor, the shift is not only transforming production at home, but also influencing how industries evolve globally.